In the heart of Jamaica, there was a vibrant community that thrived on the spirit of sharing and togetherness. The neighborhood was filled with colorful houses, lush green gardens, and the sound of reggae music drifting through the air. At the center of it all was Jack, the kind-hearted shopkeeper who owned the local convenience store. Jack was more than just a shopkeeper, he was the glue that held the community together. He took it upon himself to organize friendship groups, bringing people from all walks of life to share meals, stories, and laughter. Every week, Jack would host a community dinner at his store, where everyone would bring a dish to share. The tables would be filled with an array of delicious Jamaican cuisine, from jerk chicken to curry goat, and the atmosphere would be electric. As the community came together, the spirit of sharing began to spread. The local schools started to adopt the same approach, with students sharing their lunches and playing games together during recess. The teachers would often comment on how the sense of community had improved the students' behavior and academic performance. The local restaurants also got in on the act, with owners offering discounts to customers who came in with a friend or neighbor. The restaurants would host community nights, where people could come and share meals, play music, and enjoy each other's company. The sound of laughter and music would fill the streets, creating a joyful atmosphere that was infectious. One day, a new family moved into the neighborhood, and Jack was the first to welcome them with open arms. He introduced them to the community, and soon they were invited to join the friendship groups and share in the meals. The family was amazed by the sense of camaraderie and generosity that permeated the community. As the months went by, the community continued to grow and thrive. People would share their skills and talents, with some offering cooking classes, while others taught music or dance. The neighborhood became a vibrant hub of activity, with something always happening. The community's motto was one love, one community, and it was a phrase that resonated deeply with everyone. Jack's shop became a symbol of the community's spirit, with a sign above the door that read, "Share, care, and show we dare." The community had created something truly special, a place where everyone felt welcome and valued. Years went by, and the community continued to flourish. People would come from all over to experience the warmth and hospitality of the neighborhood. Jack's friendship groups had sparked a movement, one that would continue to inspire and uplift generations to come. The community had proven that when people come together and share, amazing things can happen. And as the sun set over the vibrant neighborhood, the sound of reggae music and laughter filled the air, a reminder of the power of community and the spirit of sharing.